Hello everyone. And welcome back to Rise Again with Mir. Today, we're exploring something that looks incredibly simple, yet has the power to transform your body from the inside out. Just one glass, every morning, that's all it takes. Yes, we're talking about Cumin Water, or Jeera Water as it's known in South Asia. If you stay with me till the end, you'll understand exactly what happens inside your body. From day 1 to day 7. When you start your mornings with this ancient miracle drink. Because sometimes, the smallest daily habits create the biggest transformations. The story behind Cumin Water. For centuries, cumin has been part of traditional healing systems. From Ayurveda in India to herbal medicine in the Middle East. People didn't know the complex science behind it. But they knew something powerful happened. When cumin seeds were soaked overnight and taken in the morning, it was believed to awaken digestion, cleanse the body, and renew energy. But now, science explains why. Because cumin seeds contain thymol, antioxidants, and iron that activate digestive enzymes and remove harmful toxins from your liver. In simple words, it resets your system. And if you do it for 7 days straight, you'll begin to feel it, not just see it. How to prepare cumin water correctly. Before we talk about what happens in your body, let's make sure you're doing it the right way. Here's the simplest method. Take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Soak them in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, boil that water for about 5 minutes. Strain and drink it warm, not hot. That's it. No expensive ingredients, no complicated recipes. Just nature's way of cleansing your system. For added benefits, you can squeeze half a lemon or add a teaspoon of honey. Especially if you want faster fat-burning results. Or better taste. Day 1, the cleansing begins. The first day may feel ordinary. But as soon as you drink cumin water on an empty stomach, your body quietly begins its cleaning process. Cumin water helps your liver start releasing toxins that have been stored due to processed food, sugar, and stress. It also increases bile production, which means your digestion gets a gentle kickstart. You might notice you're going to the bathroom more often. And that's actually a good sign. Your body is flushing out waste and extra salt. Some people feel a bit lightheaded or tired on the first day. That's because detox has started. Think of it as spring cleaning for your body. Old, heavy energy is leaving. And your system is making space for new vitality. Day 2, digestion and energy shift. On the second day, you'll start noticing small but powerful changes. The heaviness after meals begins to fade. That constant bloated feeling, gone. Your stomach feels flatter, calmer, and more balanced. Cumin water helps release digestive enzymes that break down food more effectively. It prevents gas and acidity, and improves nutrient absorption. So whatever you eat now starts working for your body, not against it. By evening, you may feel more energetic, less tired, and surprisingly light. That's because your metabolism has begun to respond. It's not just detox anymore. Your system is now optimizing. Day 3, fat activation and body reset. Day 3 is when most people notice visible differences. The morning feels easier. You wake up fresher. And your cravings start to reduce. Cumin water begins to activate fat metabolism, especially around the belly area. It doesn't melt fat magically, but it helps your body convert stored fat into energy. This is also when inflammation in your stomach reduces, making your abdomen look and feel less puffy. Some people even say their skin starts looking cleaner by day 3. Because toxins leaving the gut reflect on the skin's clarity. And here's the interesting part. Cumin contains antioxidants that support your adrenal glands, helping your body manage stress better. So, you're not just getting physical benefits. You're also calming your internal system. By day 3, you begin to feel good inside your body. And that's when most people realize. This isn't a temporary cleanse, it's the start of healing. If you followed, you've already seen your body start to respond. Digestion is smoother, energy is rising, and your system feels lighter. Now, the real magic happens. From day 4 onward, your body not only cleanses itself, but begins to rebuild, renew, and glow from the inside out. By the end of this week, you'll understand why this simple morning habit, just 1 glass of cumin water, can make such a big difference in how you feel, look, and think. Day 4, skin glow and radiance. By the 4th day, you may notice something surprising. Your skin looks fresher, clearer, and more radiant. Cumin water helps improve blood circulation, which nourishes your skin cells and removes dullness. The antioxidants in cumin fight free radicals, protecting your skin from early aging and inflammation. Some people even notice fewer breakouts. This is your body showing that internal cleansing is reflecting outwardly. Tip: for extra glow, try adding a few fresh mint leaves, or a squeeze of lemon in your morning cumin water. It not only enhances taste but boosts vitamin C absorption, helping your skin shine naturally. Day 5, blood sugar and hormonal balance. On day 5, your body starts finding balance at a deeper level. Cumin helps regulate blood sugar, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that cause fatigue or cravings. For women, this is especially helpful. Cumin can ease bloating and hormonal fluctuations. For men, it supports metabolic efficiency, reducing fat storage and supporting energy throughout the day. Imagine waking up without the usual sugar cravings. You eat a normal breakfast and still feel satisfied for hours. That's your body responding to cumin's natural balancing effect. Day 6, gut reset and immunity boost. By the 6th day, your gut health begins to reset completely. Cumin is naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, helping to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. This means less bloating, better digestion, and improved absorption of vitamins and minerals. Your immune system also benefits, because a clean gut supports strong immunity. You may notice you catch fewer colds or feel more energetic. Try adding a pinch of turmeric or ginger to your cumin water, to amplify its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. People often describe this day as a turning point. Their body feels lighter, their mind clearer, and they start realizing how connected their health is to simple habits. Day 7, complete transformation. The 7th day is when the results become tangible. Digestive system, smoother, more efficient. Energy levels, higher and sustained. Belly fat, reduced, feeling lighter. Skin, radiant, clear, and fresh. Cravings, fewer, more control over appetite. Your body feels renewed, like it has gone through a mini reset. And the best part: this transformation doesn't require extreme diets, pills, or complicated routines. Storytelling moment. Imagine waking up on the 7th day, looking in the mirror and feeling lighter, healthier, and calmer. The reflection isn't just physical. It's your body thanking you for consistency and care. How to continue after 7 days. Consistency is key. Cumin water can remain part of your routine, even after the first week. Simple guidelines. Drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach. Take a break every few weeks if needed, then resume. Optional: add lemon, honey, ginger, or mint for variety. Pair with a balanced diet and light exercise for best results. The goal is not just 7 days. It's creating a small, sustainable habit that supports digestion, metabolism, and energy long-term. For maximum results, Drink warm water, not boiling. Avoid heavy fried meals right after drinking. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Practice light morning stretches to complement the detox. Observe your body and make small tweaks. Everyone's system responds slightly differently. So, here's the truth. You don't need magic, expensive supplements, or complicated routines. You only need consistency, awareness, and a small daily habit. Like 1 glass of cumin water every morning. 7 days is enough to start feeling the shift. But it's the long-term practice that brings lasting change. Small steps create big transformations. Your body is capable of healing itself. All it needs is a little support, a little care, and the right habits.